Yeah, this is the Fallout loot box by Culturefly, and today we're going to be unboxing it. This is what it looks like at the store. It's all nicely shrink wrapped, and it's showing you a little bit of what you get inside. A pair of socks. Every young boy needs a pair of socks, and a beanie. And it looks like you're going to get a mystery figure, and it's not necessarily a bobblehead, but you do get a bottle opener and you get a deck of cards. This is the perfect ensemble for sitting around in the vast wasteland when you're not shooting mole rats. You can wear your beanie, keep your feet warm, open all of your bottles, play a deck of cards, and enjoy your mystery vinyl figure. Let's get started. We're going to open one now. I have two of them. This one will open and look at the contents. All right. Let's get started. That's a little tight. Okay. Oh, wow. It's printed on the inside of the box, which is quite impressive. Very nice looking. Look at that. I'll show you that first. Very nice. And that also goes down into the box. It looks like you get a postcard from Culturefly.com and 50% off your first order, which is a nice deal because that means there's more coming out of the box than just the items. Anyway, here's your beanie. It's a very nice beanie. Very high quality embroidered Vault Boy who looks like he's a little on the tired side. Okay, and let's see. Well, let's feel the texture, see what the quality is. I know how it opens. It's got a little sticky sealer. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's lay that aside. What else do we have? It looks like this is the mystery. Charisma is the one that we won today. And here's the box. And let's see if we can open that. Yep, he's vinyl. And you collect these guys all over the wasteland. And he's from Vault 111. Very nice. And he's not a bobblehead. His head doesn't turn. Very nice stand. Nice item. And I guess since it's not printed on the item that it's Charisma, if you don't keep your box, you'll have to always remember that the wink in the fingers means Charisma. So let's set him over here. And let's see what else is in our box. Put him right there. Okay, we got a deck of cards. This is a Fallout deck of cards. Very nice. And it's got a little peeler here. Yeah, there it is. Just like a regular deck of cards. You peel off the little wrapper. And let's see what these cards look like. Looks like I'm struggling a little bit. I'm not doing too bad. Oh yeah. Here we go. Nice. A full deck, 52 cards and 2 jokers it looks like, with the famous Vault-Tec logo on the back. Very nice. And these are quality cards. They're not very light. They're actually, you know, real solid playing cards. And I guess the King and Queen, you get Fallout Boy, Vault Boy, and you also get, looks like a Vault Girl as the Queen there. There's Dogmeat. Oh, look, a Fallout Girl. Fallout Girl. Vault Girl. Okay. So let's put our cards away. And the bottle opener. And it looks very nice. It's well made. It's heavy, very hefty. It's got a metal bottom on it, and it looks like two magnets, which is very nice. You can open up a bottle, a plastic bottle, or a bottle cap. And it's Nuka-Cola, of course. And that probably sticks right to your metal item. Very nice. Let's set it here. And then we've got some Mentats, and I guess the socks are in here. So let's open that up. And don't have. There we go. Let's get that unshrunk. Get that shrink wrap off there. Very well packaged. And there's your socks. Beautiful. Medtech. Mentats. A very nice pair of socks. I wouldn't mind wearing them anywhere. Even with the colors, you could go to Boy Scouts in those. So there we have it. Of course, the Mentats box is an item in itself. You reseal it and, of course, put it on your shelf somewhere and enjoy it along with your figure. And then you can put this on your refrigerator in your kitchen if you have one. Or your car. It might not stay on, but you've got this beautiful beanie hat. So anyway, that's our unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. It's a great loot box. And the mystery item, of course, is this right here. And today we got the Charisma. And Charisma's awesome with the two little fingers saying gotcha with the winking eye. Anyway, that's all. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.